this video, we'll talk about an important law in probability, the law of complements. So what are complements? Events that are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. So basically, the event A in the sample space and not A, which means A doesn't occur, are complements because together they include every point in the sample space. They're mutually exclusive because you can't have an event A and an event not A occur. So basically, the key idea is the probability of A plus the probability of not A equals 1. So the probability of not A is 1 minus the probability of A, rearranging that equation. So if you know the probability of A, you know the probability of not A. So let's do a couple of examples of this. What's the probability you don't throw a 2 with 2 dice? Well, here's the sample space. You can get a 1 on first die, a 6, etc. 1 through 6 on the second die. You cross those, you get 36 possible points. Now, okay, the probability you don't throw a 2, let A be the event you get a total of 2, and not A is not 2. That's what we're not interested in. The probability of not A. It's 1 minus the probability of A. Well, what's the probability of A? Well, how can you get a 2? You need a 1 and a 1. So the probability of A is 1/36. So the probability of not A is simply 1 minus that equals 35/36. And that's the probability of the yellow. Now you could get the probability of the yellow by adding up how many yellow points there are. They each have probably 1/36, and that would be 35/36. Okay, another example. We have 3 children. What's the probability at least one child is a girl? Well, look at the sample space. Assuming it's equally likely each child is a boy or a girl, you have 8 points with each probability 1/8 in the sample space. You have boy, 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 girl, etc. through girl, girl, girl. Probably at least one child is a girl is everything except the BBB. So we have the probability, the complement of at least one child is a girl is probably of 0 girls. And that's 1/8. You think about it, the probability 0 girls plus the probability at least one girl, that's got to equal 1. Right? So the probability of greater than or equal to 1 girl is 1 minus 1/8. And that would equal 7/8. Okay, or you can see that by showing that there were 7 points in the sample space that are at least one girl. All these, it's a BBB. They each have probably 1/8. So that's basically how the law of complements goes.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.